Hi everyone, this is Mark Wabel with Transwest Truck Trailer RV in Belton, Missouri. Today we're going to look at a unit we just took in on trade, a 2021 KZ Connect. It's an SE 221 RBSE. This coach with a main slide on the driver's side. This unit is a spectacular, smaller, lighter weight RV, pull behind a truck. Great weekender, maybe a little bit more of an extended stay, depending on what your needs are. We don't get a ton of travel trailers here at Transwest in Belton, but we're real excited to have this one. The previous owners took extremely good care of it. We're going to start up here. You've got a main storage up front. We've got the hitch here, some blocks, through storage all the way. We've got our power cord on the other side. And you've got your wrench to be able to put your jacks down, but great storage underneath that front bed. You've got your 30 amp, or I'm sorry, this is your solar charger. So if you ever have one of those panels that you can plug in, put out, beautiful sunny day like today, get some extra power, make sure that you're able to keep that battery topped off if you can't get plugged in. As we move to the front, we've got our battery box. We've got a really nice disconnect right here, easy to read and see. You've got your level right there to make sure that as you set it up that everything's all in order. This has an electronic jack. Makes it a lot easier than cranking it up and down and all that. And if you're doing some nighttime hooking up or anything like that, you've got a great little light right here that's going to illuminate where your ball is. You know, if you got a truck with a backup camera, you kick that light on when you're backing up. You can see right where you're at. Not to mention the lights hopefully on your truck. Got dual tanks here for your propane. And you can see here, you can always look and scan that QR code to go directly to this unit on transwest.com. As we move to the other side, like I said, this is the other entrance to that front storage bay. You can really pack those full of all the little things that you're going to need for your trip. You have your fresh tank fill and your city water connection right here. So easy to fill up with water. Your water tank, so fresh water capacity on this one is 45. You have a wastewater capacity of 32 and your gray tank is 64. And with the LP, you've got 40 gallons there. Again, you can see you got 4-point leveling. Seeing a lot of people hook up have a little cordless drill to make those go up and down a lot quicker, a lot easier. Wastewater holding tank dump, easily accessible right here. We'll see this too when we get to the inside, but we got a great picture window with an opening window right there. Here's your sewage tank. Saw our power cord up front, but that's where you hook your 30 amp up at. And again, just as you look up and down this coach, super clean, been taken very good care of. No noticeable damage. This unit does have a spare tire. As we come around to the entrance, again, some really nice features. We got your outdoor shower. That way you can hose off muddy feet, dogs, kids, whatever you need. This one's got the great little leash latch that allows you to hook your dog up, make sure you got a secure place so they don't run off. Another great thing about this one, it does have the climate package. The climate package is additional insulation along with a fully enclosed and insulated heated underbelly to protect your tanks and pipes. You got an R9 sidewall, R20 roof, and an R24 floor. So if you're looking to go out, I'm not going to say that this is going to hold up to super cold temperatures, but if you want to go out and do some fall camping or early spring camping, I think it's going to give you a great opportunity to be able to, with your heat on, still be comfortable, not freeze up if you get into a little bit of a sub freezing temperatures. Like I said, I don't know if you're going to want to stay out in this long-term sub-zero, anything like that. I wouldn't recommend that. But if you have your heat on and you're able to go out and you want to do a little bit of camping and it gets down to maybe 28 at night or something like that, I think you're going to be able to extend that and do a great opportunity, and maybe an early hunting trip or an early fishing trip. Got the solid step here, nice and easy to get in and out of. As we step inside here, I'm going to highlight the closet real quick. Great shelving, coat hooks. In a unit that's not super large, having a good sized closet's a great way to have additional storage. We've got our KIB system here, LP gas, water, pumps, electric heater. We've got our awning. We'll show that at the very end. It's a little windy. We don't want to leave it out the whole time. Got our slide extension. This is a really large slide. KZ's got a great slide mechanism. Super smooth, super easy. Goes out. So when this is all open up, plenty of living space. I'm about 6'1", so you've got very tall ceilings in here. And just, like I said, going out for a weekend, if you're a couple, I think this is a great opportunity to have a shorter coach. The unloaded weight is 5230 on this. Your gross vehicle weight capacity is 7320. So you can really put a little bit of load in here, go out and explore. You're going to be able to tow this behind most trucks. And if you have a 250, obviously it would tow amazing. As we move to the rear, you got a great little bathroom set up here. Got our light switch. Also got a fan up above. Lots of counter space. Medicine cabinet. Good outlets right over here. With the single sink, you still have plenty of space for storage of your cosmetics, your bags, the little things you take along. Big area for your stool. And then a large walk-in square shower. Kind of nice, just a regular old curtain. Skylight up above to give you natural light. As we move to the living area, good couch. We've got USB chargers. Big window, 2 lights that you can turn on and off with just a little switch there. Blackout curtains. Norcold fridge freezer. Lots of space in there. As we move to the kitchen, we've got maple cabinetry up top. And as you kind of peek in there, you can see there's no divide here. So you can, if you have some long things, you can put them in that way. Or really store a lot in that back corner. Again, in a smaller platform like this, all the space and storage you can get is really helpful. Nice deep sink. Outlets up top, coffee maker, air fryer. Good kitchen window. Lets a lot of natural light in. Got a flip up Furrion 3-burner gas stove. Metal grates on top with a little oven below. Microwave. Then as we look down here, below the sink, great place for storage of a trash can, cleaning supplies, big, open, easy access. 3 good sized drawers. Vizio TV for your entertainment center, along with your Furrion. You got a CD player there, good speakers. You've got all your books. AC unit. Keep that open, dumps out all the air throughout the coach. Also have a just fire extinguisher over here to keep things safe. So when your slides out, great living space throughout this coach. As we move to the rear, kind of a nice little feature. You've got your light switch right around the corner there. You know, if you want a little bit lower light, you can just turn one of them off or have both of them off. And then again, in this area, we've got a short queen bed. You've got 3 really nice windows. Allows tons of natural light in, especially that one over the cab or the front cover. Kind of these, the way with the storage that's underneath here, you almost have side tables next to your hanging wards on both sides. Then you've got great storage over the top. And again, with that large storage area under the bed, then you get these nice little cubbies right up front with chargers and power outlets that you can really store all the little things that you need to take along. Put a CPAP up there. And then if you do have company, you want a little privacy there on the couch. Nice sliding door. If you wanted to, you've got hookups and power to be able to put a TV up here if that's something that interests you. If you want another TV put in, then you're pre-wired for a king outlet up here. Previous customers didn't do that, but that's obviously something you can add if it's something that interests you. So again, like I said, we don't carry new towables, but every now and again we get a really nice used trade-in. These people were meticulous. They took very good care of this unit. And if you're looking for just a weekend or something to get out, something to head down south for the winter, find a nice little spot, have plenty of room to live, this is a great option. Again, this is a 2021 KZ Connect SE 221 RBSC. That's a mouthful. And if you have any questions about this unit or any of the other units on our lot, I'd love to help you out with it. Again, super clean linoleum tile or linoleum throughout, not the tile but the sheets. If you ever had something happen with it, it's easy to replace. So again, my name is Mark with Transwest Truck Trailer RV. One last thing, let's come over here. I want to show you the awning. It's got a great awning. We didn't want to put it out the entire time. A little windy here today, but I'm sure if you're out camping, you want to be able to sit outside, enjoy the day. Got great awning lights. So again, my name is Mark Wabel. If I can help you out with this KZ Connect or anything else on our lot, if you're looking for something affordable to get into camping, this is a great opportunity, well taken care of. We've got great techs that will show you how to use it. Please feel free to give me a call, 816-446-9799. And we're going to put that back in. Have a wonderful day.